Okay, so everyday carry, right? Like my favorite things, they go with me wherever I go. I even take them around to different parts of the house sometimes. It's everything that matters the most to me. So this is the Peak Designs Ultralight Pack and Cube. Really, really great piece. I think this one is an extra small. They also have an extra, extra small and a small. It's an ultralight material, it's waterproof. They also sell a mesh version, which I haven't thought of trying, but it seems great. And this is a strap that they don't sell, so don't fall in love with this. This is from Timbuktu, but I'll show you the strap that I got with it from Peak Design. So the Peak Designs system is ultralight, and they have this really kind of minimalist, plain old strap. It's nice, it's smooth, and it has these kind of passive clips, but these go right into these bits of loop on the bag. So it's just pressure, and it's quite a bit of pressure to get them to be on, and then it's a crossbody length strap on me. I do still carry this lighter weight strap on travel and other trips, but I like the chunkiness of the Timbuktu strap, and I have it, so why not be modular? So the bag itself is pretty big. They call it an extra small, but you know, this is like the size of a pair of size 6 shoes maybe. Some of you might think it's like a kid's shoes size. That's probably true. Here it is next to an A5 notebook. Gives you a sense of the scale. That's the A5 notebook. That's the bag. And what do I keep in here? So everyday carry has everything to do with having what I need when I need it, not taking extra things, really only using what comes up regularly for me, and you'll want yours to be, you know, whatever comes up regularly for you, but maybe these will be some good ideas. So there's a much longer video on my channel that goes in depth about what I have in this traveler's notebook. So I won't go into that here, but it is like a nice small passport-sized traveler's notebook that I just love. In here I also, of course, have glasses. This is the Wild Rye Edition Smith glasses bag. These are a pair of mountain bike glasses that I have. It came in this bag, but the bag is so pretty and it's a good lens cleaning fabric. So I keep some glasses in here that I use on the computer, you know, standard pair of glasses, nothing groundbreaking there. Let's see if I can get those down out of the way here. Also in my everyday carry, of course, is just a little wallet. This is a small one from Madewell. I think it's possibly even faux leather, but otherwise it's real leather, but it's, you know, just a very accessible price point little zip top wallet. I like zip top wallets because you can keep cash and coins in them, and also like little things like mints. These are the ones I'm into rather than gum. And I also have, let's see if I can get this out here so you can see it, a pair of loop earplugs that I keep in here. These are great for movies that are just a little too loud. Yeah, I'm just never sorry I have them with me when it comes up and I need them. So I like to keep little tiny loose things, not in their own carrying case, but all in this case with a couple cards and, you know, insurance cards, things like that. Embarrassed to say, this is the lip gloss that I love. It's clear, it's unscented. I don't have to stick my finger in a pot. It totally grosses me out. Sorry everybody, it's the Rose lip gloss. And then some music, of course, noise canceling, AirPods. I've been really surprised by how great these do. I used to be a Bose over-the-ear person, but I really like this in-ear solution for some settings. Hair clip, always a good thing to be able to pull the hair up. And then this beautiful Benchmade knife This is the Osborne, and mine is getting a little roughed up as I have been using it. It's got some goo on it here, and I'm starting to rough up the finish of the handle a little bit, but it's a really beautiful color of forest green, little purple accents for the machine parts that were powder coated. Beautiful Benchmade knife. You can see the Osborne on there. I have a mini Osborne as well. I find it didn't fit my hand as well. My husband's quite into knives, and so I end up with some big knives to use quite often. And I'm pretty happy with it. And then of course a dime. That's just a good luck charm for me. This is what's in my everyday carry. It's a little bit about being able to capture ideas that come up, being able to keep quiet, distractions and environments that are overwhelming. The functional thing that I might need, such as a knife, a lip gloss, a hair thing, or cards, and then of course glasses, complete with a cleaning cloth. It's pretty simple, but this type of thing adds up to a lot of confidence and comfort throughout the day. So here's a look in a little bit more detail. I'm so curious, what is in your small bag? What is in your everyday carry? Do you even know what that concept is? Do you enjoy it? Does yours change seasonally? Tell me more in the comments below, and really appreciate if you give it that thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll include some links to some of these products as well. No referral to me, as I'm just a little tiny baby channel here, but sharing what I like, and hope that it helps you like your days too. Thanks.